7 Mile Beach in the Cayman Islands, Georgetown. Some cruise ships over there. Ooh, yeah, it feels nice. Chilly. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. Ooh. Yes. March in the ocean. Come on, baby. Let's have a talk. Where are we?
We are in the Grand Cayman in Georgetown in this beautiful beach called 7 Mile Beach.
7 Mile Beach.
And look at this water. It is crystal clear.
Yes. Let's go in.
Amazing and refreshing. And pretty deep quickly.
Let's have a look. Let's go in. I love this place. I love my wife. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. Grand Cayman. I think I could come here and spend a week here.
Georgetown. I love how deep it is. It's quickly.
Yeah. I think I better go put this in my... Oh. What is all that on there? Is she selling stuff or does he live on that? Oh, this is a swimming paradise. Maybe. I think we should... I'm gonna...
And you wanted to miss this?
No, I'm glad we came. Good idea, Eileen. And I'm usually the beach person.
I know. Like this is
Wow, let's look at this water. I don't know what it's like looking at it from underneath, but here. It's not a wife. It's my wife. In, out, in, out. Oh, I love it here. I can't zoom in, period. There's no zoom on this. Let me see, let me look at the feet on the water. Pull up your foot. In the water. There we go.
it's so good, man.
Actually, let me get pictures of them. Oh, shoot. Whoops, sorry. shorts are like a sail. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Maybe they're trying to take the big thing. They may not let you
Film
take it. They might let you take this one.
Well, we'll try. My shorts are like ballooning up. Oh, I know. I don't know where it is. Oh, look at this. Jeez, man. These shorts drive me nuts.
Take in my bag and bring it back with you when you come up.
Okay. Yeah, but I just got in.
Oh, when you take that up again.
Oh. Yeah, let's go out a bit. But yeah, that's the thing. Eileen, come on out. Let's come out of it. Are you having fun?
In the water.
Yes. Honestly. Okay, let's stop there. Okay, I want you to talk.
You want me to talk?
Yes.
Well, what am I going to say that hasn't been said? That we are having the most amazing time in this crystal clear water. Have a look at this water. You can see all the way down to the bottom. It's incredible.
Let's see if it can see us through the bottom. So.
So we have to say we love this island, we love the people.
Yep.
We feel that the people are so friendly.
Yep.
Going out of their way to assist. Bought a taxi here to this beach for $2.50 each, which is really cheap.
Yep. Yeah, we spent probably over $100 just in tips yesterday at Ocho's. This is way better.
This is amazing. I'm so happy that we came. The town looked very interesting as well, but I wanted to swim in the waters, and so here we are.
Beautiful. And here it is. Here's the beach, packed with some chairs and people, and kind of reminds me a little, no, not really. I was going to say like the beach we went to in Puerto Rico, but that had palm trees. This doesn't have any palm trees.
There wasn't nearly as many people.
Oh no, I know. And it was January.
They said there was seven.
First or second.
They said there were 7 ships here today.
Yeah, wow.
Love it here. One of my favorite islands. So
Oh yeah, definitely. And it's funny, from the shore, it looked kind of boring compared to Jamaica. Jamaica's very mountainous. This looked very flat, but wow, look at this
I've
one.
already forgotten. What did we do in the Bahamas?
We walked around Nassau.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
Oh, look at
And then we went
this.
back to the ship. But these waters
So
are much more
gorgeous.
beautiful. I love how big this beach is.
It's beautiful.
Oh, there comes a yacht. Look.
Oh yeah. No, it's been
Catamaran.
sitting there. That's what I was talking about.